Hello guys, today I have got with me the Sony Xperia. I don't know what model. And usually I do know the models of my phone, but this time I don't really know the model of this one, so sorry about that. But I will show you the ringtones, the alarm tones, the notification tones. You know.
Xperia home. Messaging.
You know how it goes.
Camera.
Right.
Chrome.
So I just need to find
recent app. Back. Apps. Recent app.
If I go to recent apps, actually.
Settings.
I go into settings. And
apps and display.
Go to sound.
Battery. Sound.
There we go, sound.
Sound.
And we're gonna go.
Alarm volume.
Just make sure everything is up at 100.
15. 100.
Yep.
Ring volume. 15.
Yep.
Also, do not sound. Head. Phone ringtone.
There we go.
Phone ringtone. Navigate up. Button. Out of list. Talk back off.
Right, so here we go. Oh dear, I've clicked something, sorry.
Talk back on. Ticked. Default alarm ringtone. Movie creator notification.
What? Guys, I'm so sorry. That was not meant to happen.
Phone ringtone.
Sorry.
Phone ringtone on top, sound on bottom. Navigator. Talk back off.
Sorry guys. My fault.
Talkback on. Scandium, not ticked, radio button.
I did it again.
Cancel. Sound. Phone ringtone. Phone ringtone on. Cancel. But. Solarium, not ticked, radio button, 29 of 34. Accessibility volume set to 93%. Double tap to select. Talkback off.
Here we go. Okay, that's it for the ringtones.
Talkback on.
Now for the notification tones.
Navigate up. Sound. Notification sound. Notification sound on top. Sound on bottom. Navigate up. Talkback off.
Right. Let's go. Okay. I did it again. I did it again. Sorry, guys.
Talkback on.
Why do I keep doing that?
Notifications. Notification sound. Navigate up. Button. Out of. Talkback off.
Right. Why do I keep doing that?
Notifications. Notification sound. Navigate up. Button. Out of list. Talk back off.
Anyway.
Talk back on.
I need to change that back to...
Phone. Notification.
Oh, I need to change it back.
Tweeted. Ticked. Whisper. Xperia. Not ticked. Radio button. 51 of
there
65.
was one I missed.
Talk back off.
There was one I missed, so I need to find it. Yeah, I can't find it. There we go. Alright, I just need to go back to mine. The one I had for mine is where? There we go.
Talk back on.
That's such an annoying notification tone to have.
Recent apps key.
I'm sorry for anyone who has it.
Back. But. System. Double tapped.
And last but not least.
Siamer. Ticked. Radio button. In lip.
At least.
Back. Button. Sound.
We
Phone
can
ringtone.
move on to the alarm tones now.
Default alarm. Default alarm ringtone on top. Sound on bottom. Talk back off.
Wait, what? Why is it still... Okay, that's so weird. Right, hang on.
Talk back on. Notifications.
Da-da-da-da-da-da-da.
Whisper.
Right.
Cancel. Tweeters. Not tick.
Oh yeah, I had to confirm it.
Talitha. Tada. Notifications. Tada. Siamer. Ticked.
Right.
Tinkerbell.
We're gonna click
Cancel. Done.
done.
Sound.
Yes, we click done.
Default alarm.
Here we
Default
go.
alarm ringtone on
Finally.
top. Sound on bottom. Navigate. Talk back off.
I'm sorry that took forever. Anyway, alarm tones, here we go. My favorite. Yeah, that's a great little tone. But the thing is, it doesn't play the tone the whole way through.
Soft harp. Softly. Slumber. Scandi. Ringing alarm. Platinum. Not tick.
So we're gonna go for
Done. But
done.
sound. Home. Button. Win. Xperia home. 14. 54.
Oh yeah, there is one thing.
Home. Xperia. Home. Button.
Listen to the
Windows
cool timer
system
tone.
you are.
Set a timer for 1 second.
Alright, 1 second. Starting, now. Alarm volume set to 46%.
That is such a sweet tone.
Alarm volume set to 100%.
Right. I just need to stop it now.
Dismiss.
There is a dismiss button.
Dismiss. Button.
There we go.
Enlist. Home. Volume controls
Very
hidden.
sweet.
Xperia home. Clock and weather. Restart. Power off. Xperia home.
I'm gonna
Power
shut it
off.
down.
Shutting down. Out of list.
Well, guys, there we go, it's part off. Well, guys, I will see you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'm sorry it took longer than usual. But yeah, bye.
Speak. WhatsApp. Stop record. Microphone on. Everything on.
I was about
Select.
to say, what just happened to my phone, but no, it's fine.
Mic. Stop recording. But.